A say? What's that? Olivia, what is that?
I.
What's I say? Eh, eh, eh. What's that?
Okay.
What's K say?
K.
Good job. Can you hit another letter? Hit P.
P. Where's P go?
Right here, baby.
Right here. Up here.
What's P say? Good job. What's that one?
A.
What's A?
A.
Good job.
Hey. D.
What's this one?
B.
What's B say?
B. B. B.
Good job. What's that one?
A C.
What's C say?
A V.
Oh, V. Good.
Fishes.
Yes. What's C say? What's your C say? Hit your C. What's C say?
K.
Good job.
N. A brown N.
Is that a brown N? Yes.
Green.
What is that?
A blue N.
An M? Blue M? What's M say?
Um.
Hit these here. These numbers. What's that?
A.
Good job. What is that? What's E say? What is this?
D.
What's D say?
D.
What's that?
F.
What's F say? Good job. What's that?
G.
What's G say? Oh, what's G say? Good job. What's that? What's H say? Good job. You can say it louder. It's okay. What letter do you want to push? Ooh, what's this one? What letter's that?
A blue.
A blue what?
Blue. C.
What's Z say?
C.
Good job. What's that one?
A blue S.
What's S say? Good job. I'm so proud of you. Do you want to do R? What's R say? Good job. Okay, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
See you later.
See you later.